Here's an interesting trend in app called Pulse Emotional Resonance. Meet the same frequency souls. As you can see, it's climbing in the charts. The Pulse app boasts numerous remarkable advantages. Its fingerprint recognition technology is based on extensive research and optimization, and its accuracy far surpasses that of similar apps. It can interpret your emotional states with remarkable precision through fingerprint information. Whether you are feeling joy, sadness, calmness, or excitement, it can accurately capture these emotions and draw a detailed and precise emotional portrait exclusive to you, enabling you to have a clear and thorough understanding of your inner world. So a long description, but let's check it out. The code Ripples connect users, touch to test. Fingertips touch light up. So then you can just go and create an account. You can add a photo, add your birth date, and then just start fingertip detection. So then now that's what you can see in here, and then you will just see users with your fingerprint, and it's pretty cool. So what is that? And then you can just find some users with similar vibes or excitement. So for example, and then you can just start detection in here, and then you can just collect fingerprints. So something strange is happening, but that's the idea in here. You can have shop, and you can delete your account. So basically it creates pattern either of the pulse or something else based on your fingertip, and then finds users with similar patterns. I don't know what is that exactly, but people doing this. So I don't know, but there you have it.